Hello there, my name is Kirill Smolyakov and I graduated from University of Newport, University of Wales in Newport about 3 years ago, and I studied documentary photography for 3 years, and all I can say really that I had probably one of the best 3 years of my life. It was something I wanted always to study, photography, and I decided to go to University of Newport because of its reputation. But before I really didn't know that, and it just happened by accident, and found this book by Roger Sargent. It's the Libertines book, and the guy, he took photographs of the Libertines on tour, and I was a big fan of the Libertines and still am. And I checked this photographer Roger Sargent, and apparently he was studying in Newport. So that's why I decided to go there, and only later I found out that the University of Newport had such a good reputation in documentary photography. And of course, I didn't have expectations, but when I came to the university, I was really surprised with the facilities, with the library, and eventually I was really grateful to the tutors, all of them, who gave me, the best advice and education, and who had so much patience with me, because I was quite young, and not just young in age, but young in my mind, and I think that I enjoyed my student life a bit too much. But I kind of knew that I had passion for photography, but I wasn't ready for maybe serious projects or to be fully involved in some kind of projects. But tutors were just very supportive, not just to me but to everybody on my year, and the people I knew. They tried to approach people personally, understand their problems they were having with the studying. I also have to say that I met many interesting people and eventually became friends with them, not just from the photography department, but from all the rest, from film department and so on. And I can say that now I work as a social worker, and I look after people with special needs, and I enjoy my job, but at the same time I go home regularly to Belarus, and I prefer taking pictures there. I don't know, for whatever reasons, but it inspires me, the place there, and it's a kind of live project, I suppose. So eventually I want to produce a book, hopefully I'll make exhibitions. But the most important thing, I would say, the course gave me was the foundation, without which I don't think I would feel confident or I would take pictures I'm taking at the moment. Because that foundation, you don't forget it. It always stays in your mind, and even maybe you don't take pictures, but you constantly aware of that knowledge and experience you had during 3 years. And as for the friends and people I met, I still keep in contact with them. Some of them run the gallery, the third floor gallery in Cardiff, where I live at the moment, and I volunteer there. Not a lot, but I like to put up the exhibition and help the photographers, talk to them about photography and just life experiences. So we keep in touch, and we have the openings, so you're more than welcome to come. We're having great fun. And yeah, I don't know, I would recommend everybody who is into photography, and who's got the opportunity, of course, and just to go and do it, because I've got no regrets. No regrets at all. Thank you very much for listening, and peace and love. All the best.